Alright guys, we're going to do a little fire alarm unboxing today. So I got a little something from, I think it was Coffee and Sugar 20, I'm not quite sure. But let me just unbox it. I know I got it from a YouTuber because, jeez. Could have done a little, you tape stuff up much? Alright. Thanks for the purchase. Alright. Must have been really wanting to get rid of these. P.O. box, case of return. Alright, I see. There you go. It's from Ohio. Alright. And endurance. Maybe it was something else. Alright. EST Speaker Strobe. I'm not sure if it's new in box or not, but we'll see. Alright. You got the protective cover. Alright. Got the back. Alright. Beautiful. See if I can take off this thing. 15 candela. Jeez. Got the speaker output. Wow. Sorry I'm taking a little while on this. I don't think you can take it off. That's what I think. Actually, you can. You're supposed to in order to get the screws in. Let me see what the instructions say. Always look at the instructions. Candela. Yada yada. Yeah, I don't know if I'll make a separate. I'll figure it out later. But EST Speaker Strobe. See you later.